Hello everyone, in this video you will learn what a WordPress theme is and how to install a theme step by step. What is WordPress theme is? A WordPress theme controls the design and layout of your website. It decides how your website looks, including colors, fonts, menus and page structure. Why WordPress themes are important? Themes allow you to change the look of your website without touching any code. You can easily switch themes anytime without losing your content. So, there are two types of WordPress themes. One is free, another premium. Free themes are available in the WordPress theme directory, while premium theme offer more features and customization options. Now, where to install themes from? Install the themes, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard. From here you have to go to appearance, then themes. Here you can see two default themes already available here. Now you can click on add theme and you can see there are many free themes. You can also search themes according to your niche, like you can write here magazine. Here you can find the magazine themes. If you search blog themes, you can write here blog. For this video I am using Astra, so I am searching Astra. This is the theme I am using today. So now install. After installing the theme you have to click the activate button. Now your WordPress dashboard is ready for customizing any website you want. Your theme is already activated. So if you have a premium theme, you can buy the premium theme from any store like ThemeForest. You have to then click add theme option, then upload theme, choose file, then you have to choose the zip file. Now install, then activate. Now your theme is activated. You have to install the required plugins. Important tips for beginners: always choose a theme that is responsive, fast and regularly updated. Avoid installing too many themes to keep your website secure. That's it. Now you know what a WordPress theme is and how to install it. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.